Walter Alvarez here in Italy and me in Spain were asking ourselves the same question. Why did these animals disappear so suddenly right at that top of that white layer? And Walter Alvarez in Italy and I in Spain discovered there was a tiny clay layer on top of it. It's just a centimeter here, but in Spain it's 10 centimeters thick. And basically within that clay there is nothing left. A tiny remnant of what was living here still survives, and at the top of the clay layer you see that new animals are reappearing. New fossils are being deposited. And you can see the difference because this is pinkish, white, and the layers are a little bit thicker. And just above that clay layer we see it's darker. So there is a subtle difference in whatever contains these rocks, but basically the oceans weren't changed, only the fossils in them were completely changed. So that clay layer became important, and especially the base of that clay layer. So Alvarez measured in the clay layer. He went specifically for iridium, and I did the same in Spain with the same method, but I wasn't looking specifically for iridium, I was looking for everything. And that clay turned out to be extremely rich in the element iridium, but also platinum, osmium and several kinds of the platinum group elements. And it was known at that time that those elements are very rare on the surface of the Earth and about 20,000 times more abundant in all sorts of extraterrestrial material. And we still weren't sure where that extraterrestrial material came from. Is it a dust cloud in the sky which is pushed by a supernova explosion and deposited in the clay layer? Or has there been an increase in the amount of extraterrestrial objects like comets and asteroids? And quickly after the find of the iridium, in that exact same layer, a whole succession of new discoveries were made. First, I found tiny spherules, which we know are produced by impact, nanodiamonds, small diamonds, and tiny crystals of quartz which were shocked by the pressure necessary to create a nuclear explosion or a meteorite impact. So we were left with the conclusion that we have a lot of extraterrestrial material from some source in that clay layer with a whole zoo of other specific objects, all pointing to a major impact, but where?